I'm in the home of Mr. Jiang here in Hoiping, China. So Mr. Jiang's going to cook some fantastic home-style Hoiping cooking. So he's going to make stir-fry Bok Choy. Oh, okay. So this garlic is grown in a region here in Hoiping. It's fairly well known. It's delicious garlic that's special in this region. So smash up some garlic. Preheat the wok. There's a giant propane tank here they used to fire the stove. So preheat, smash up some garlic, preheat the wok, and put about 3 tablespoons of oil. Then put the garlic into the wok. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh, okay. Add the bok choy into the wok. Just add a little water to the bok choy. The bok choy has water already in the vegetable, so you only need about half a cup of water. Cover the bok choy and continue cooking for a minute or two. So here in Hoiping, China, you can buy the vegetables fresh every day. So just go down to the open market. The open market opens anywhere from 5 to 6 a.m. Usually the market is over by 10 a.m. So add about a tablespoon of oyster flavor sauce. Okay. So this is a very simple dish. The flavor of the fresh vegetables will come through. You don't need to add too many condiments to it. So this is market fresh bok choy, stir fried. So this is bok choy stir fried in Hoiping, China. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. And please subscribe, and if you get a chance, check out my other channel, the Chinese Cooking Channel. So the Chinese Cooking Channel won the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world, and it was also awarded the top 40 best China YouTube channels in the world. Be sure to subscribe by pushing the subscribe button and the notification button as well to get the next video.